Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh. Today I'm going to compare the differences between two of the trim levels of the all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon. Let's look at the XLE and the XSE. Let's start with differences in the front end. XLE is going to be known for having horizontal slat front grille, which is more classy, luxurious. LED entire package, which means LED headlights, daytime running lights, and turn signals. That's more of a clear headlight, whereas XSE is going to have piano black sport mesh grille, the sporty feel, and it's going to have smoked out LED lights, but LED headlights, turn signals, and also daytime running lights. It's just a matter, do you want luxurious or do you want sporty? We all know wheel size and appearance is really important with our customers. So on the XLE, it's 17-inch wheels. They're silver painted alloy wheels. Then on the sporty side, something completely different. We have 19-inch black painted machine finish alloy wheels. Which do you like better? Okay, now for engine performance and transmission, they're going to be both relatively the same with a few minor differences. Under the hood, you're going to see hydraulic lifts, so you don't have to worry about prop rods falling or anything like that, or getting them in the right place. Now the engine itself, that's going to be a 3.5 liter V6 engine that delivers 301 horsepower. The gas mileage on the XLE is going to be 22 in the city, 32 on the highway with a combined 26. Now, with the XSE, that's going to be 22 in the city, 31 in the highway, and 25 combined. So, talking about transmission, it's identical for both of them. Direct shift 8-speed transmission, electronically controlled, so you really don't feel the car shifting at all between the low speed and your high cruising speed. Now as we walk down the sides of the cars, we'll notice some differences here. The side view mirrors, it's going to be piano black on the XSE that matches the grille and the spoiler that we'll soon see. The XLE has color keyed, which is the red obviously, and they're going to have turn signals in both of the side view mirrors. Now, blind spot monitor in the XLE and the XSE, which also includes rear cross traffic alert. Now let's take a look at the backs of the cars. Here are the differences. They both say Avalon proudly, XLE. The XLE is going to have dual chrome exhaust tips, whereas XSE is going to have quad chrome exhaust tips. It'll also have, instead of in chrome like the XLE, it's going to be in black, the XSE, and then the rear spoiler is going to be in black as well. No spoiler on the XLE. Let's just look at the side view so you can see what the XLE looks like with its wheel package, and then the XSE with its wheel package. Another exterior difference is the XSE comes standard with a moonroof, whereas the XLE does not. However, you can add that as an option package. If you add the moonroof package to the XLE, you get the moonroof and also the Qi wireless charging pad. That's part of the moonroof package on the XLE, standard on the XSE. Another difference as far as performance in the outside is also going to be in the suspension. Traditional suspension, nice, smooth, quiet, comfortable, is going to be in the XLE. The XSE is more high performance, so it has a sport tune suspension. So pick your car based on what type of driving you want. Let's open up the trunk. They're similar in both cars. They each have pull levers so that if you want to move the back seats, you can lay them down by pushing something long through there, or you can come around to these seats here. This is the XLE, and the seats fold down just like that to give you quite a bit of opening space. There's plenty of leg room, shoulder room, and headroom for 3 people across. There are car seat latches on all 3 spots. In the back seat, rear ventilation, which is great, and also USB ports, so that people in the back do not have to fight over USB chargers. For kids or backseat passengers who want to put books or things like that, back pockets. Okay, some really cool things about the front seating area. First of all, on the XLE, it's going to be traditional Softex leather. It has a power driver's seat, also a power passenger seat, but it not only goes forward and backward on the passenger side, it also goes up. Now, like I said, in the XLE, it's traditional Softex leather. Let's flip around here. XLE. This is going to be the perforated leather. They're both heated seats. but as you can tell, there's a whole different feel, just a sporty ambiance to it. Now, look at this seat here. It goes forward, backward, but it also goes up, which is great for folks that are shorter, and it goes down for folks that are taller. This is awesome. A great improvement for passenger power. All right, looking at the inner controls, XLE, these are both gonna be very similar. Automatic high beams, this turns traction control on and off. Trunk release and gas release, they're conveniently located so they're not on the floor like previous generations. This is your trip timer and then the brightness of the interior dash. Steering wheel controls, this moves around your multi-information display. Like for example, if you want different types of information, you can get it here. Then this is the radio, volume. This is your Bluetooth for pushing on and hanging up a phone call. Voice commands. Over here, this is for radar cruise control. Lane departure alert. This goes between AM, FM, Bluetooth, and back again. And then this is your cruise control, which is really conveniently located. And then this is going up and down between your preset stations. Okay, looking here at the inner console, I've kind of got my phone hooked up now. But that's what the inner console looks like. It's got 2 USBs, and then this is the plug-in for Apple CarPlay and also your iPod jack. A couple different cup holders. And in here, if you have the Qi wireless charging, you'll find it in there. This one on the XLE only has it, remember, because I have the moonroof package. That gives you the XL or the Qi wireless charging. Now we have different temperature controls for driver and passenger. Like that. Heated seats, multi-stage, and then let's see what else. Okay, the radio system. This is the Entune 3.0, so it has access to Scout GPS link, Pandora, iHeartRadio, things like that. You can also get fuel, weather, traffic. Those are the things that I like. You can also have Wi-Fi Connect. There's also Remote Connect and a couple other of those as well. Service Connect and also Safety Connect, which is sort of like a Toyota version of an OnStar in a way. La 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 la. This is the Scout GPS link. So with the Scout GPS, even though it doesn't have navigation built in, you can use the Scout GPS link app to go from your phone and connect with a USB cable, and then you will have navigations right on your car's computer. Another difference on the driver's door and passenger door, you'll see just a plain black plate. Walking over to the XSE, you'll see it has the chrome Avalon name to it. Let's see some other differences. XSE, it's going to have the sport pedals for brake and gas. And then again, remember it's got the perforated leather, which gives it a sporty vibe. And then a leather wrapped steering wheel. And I didn't show you this on the XLE, but it has different driving modes here. Eco mode for better gas mileage in the city, normal mode and sport for a sportier performance type drive. It has an electric parking brake with brake hold. They both have that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my ToyotaJeff YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.